Alexa, start my day.
Okay, Big Daddy.
The desire for one's positive experience is itself a negative experience. Paradoxically, the acceptance of one's negative experience is itself a positive experience. As a content creator whose main job deals with technology and all the endless possibilities and opportunities, one thing I've come to realize is that even the best of us need a break from ourselves, reality, and all that comes with it. Nature in itself is the number one uncontrolled source of inspiration, and who am I not to use it to my advantage? Mercy once said, "Taking a chance on nature is taking a chance on yourself." And when you take a chance on oneself, that's when you're truly living life.